Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save Excel workbook as a read-only recommended. So let's start this my Excel file. Go to the file tab and click on the info option and here you can see the protect workbook option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the first option always open read only and just go back and close this Excel file and save these changes. Just click on the save option and again I open here the same Excel file. Just double click on to open this Excel file and you can see one dialog box is open. The author would like you to open sales data as a read only unless you need to make changes. Open as a read only. If you want to open this file as a read only, just click on the yes. If you don't want, just click on the no. So I just click on the yes to open this file in read only status. Okay. So this is a way you can save the Excel workbook as a read-only recommended. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.